Hey there! Welcome to this tutorial video for approvals for Monday.com. In this video, we will walk you through how to build a single-stage approval process. Let's dive in. Before setting up a single-stage approval process, let's make sure the approval status columns are set up on our Monday.com board. This will give us full visibility over every approval taking place using approvals for Monday.com, and it will make it easier for you and your teammates to keep projects on track. To start setting up your approval columns, open any item on your board and click the Approvals tab you can see here. If you don't see this tab, you will need to install the Approvals for Monday.com app first. Next, access the settings you see in the top right here. Once opened, we're going to set the two most important columns: Approval Status and Approvers. For each one, select the Select a Column option and then press Create New Column. This will automatically add these columns to your board. Now, let's jump back to our Monday.com board. We can now see the two new columns have been added. Next, we need to rename the column titles to Approval Status and Approvers. And finally, we're going to change the approval status labels to better align with our approval workflow. To do this, simply click the gray status label to open the list of default labels and then select Edit Labels. For a seamless approval process, we recommend the following labels: in review, approved, rejected, not started, and pending review. Once your labels are configured, click Apply, and the status labels will be updated. Now that we have set up our status columns, it's time to focus on the single-stage approval process. Let's choose an item at random to add an approval to. We'll go for this one here. Now, we just need to access the Approvals tab that you can see here. To set up a single-stage approval, we need to add an approval round, which can be done by selecting Add New Round. Let's give our approval round a more meaningful name, like Marketing Team Review or something similar. Next, we need to add our approvers. Click on the Add Approver field, and you will see a drop-down menu display. This is where you can select people within your Monday.com account as approvers. It's important to note that you can have up to 3 approvers for the approval round on the free plan. However, with the paid Pro edition, you can send any item for up to 10 rounds of approvals, with a maximum of 20 approvers per round. Once you have selected one of your approvers, they will automatically be placed here within the approval. As you can see, from this point, the approval status will show as not started, and you can add your other approvers following the same process. Now that your approvers have been selected, it's time to start the approval process. To do this, you just need to select the Start button located here. The approval status has now changed to Pending Review, and the approvers would have been notified by email and an in-app notification that their approval is required. And that's everything from that perspective. Let's take a quick look at how you approve an item if you are an approver. In this example, I've been requested to review and approve an item. As you can see, I received a notification through an in-app notification, but I also received an email notifying me that there was an item for my review. To provide my approval, I can either click on the link provided in these notifications or access the item directly through the Monday board. Once there, I can open the approval round and select my approval decision on the right-hand side. This will open a comment field where I can leave any comments supporting my decision. If you have no feedback, click Save, and the status next to your name will show as approved on the item and on the Monday board. And there we have it. That was a quick run-through on how to add a single approval round in Monday.com. Just remember, you are not alone when using approvals for Monday. There is an extensive range of user guides available to help you use all of the features and functionality in approvals. Some of the guides also contain tutorial videos that walk you through these features in more detail. If you have any specific questions about the product or require technical assistance, we also have a UK-based customer support team available to help you. For now, though, we hope you and your team enjoy using approvals for Monday.com.